Parts of computer. From our definition of computer, the data is coming into the CPU, processed in the CPU, and saved the information also in the CPU. Therefore, the CPU is the computer, and the rest of the devices are parts of the computer. All the parts that allow data or instruction into the computer, such as keyboard, are called input device, while parts that bring out information from the computer, such as printer, are called output device. Let's start with input device. Mouse. We use mouse to instruct the computer. The name mouse was derived from the actual mouse. Look at how alike they are. It has a cable that connects to the CPU. This is a left click, but it is also called click. Click is used for three things. Click, hold and drag the icon or object to change its position in the screen of the computer. Double click to start or open a program. When the program is started, single click to execute an action, or single click to highlight icon or object, especially when we need to format them. Look at the click cycle. The detailed formatting steps are covered in the practical session. Scroll mouse. It is used to scroll a page up or down in applications. Look at the border of 2 pages that comes as a result of scrolling down. An application is a computer program that we use to do our day-to-day work. Right-click is used to see possible options available in any location, object or program. For example, right-click anywhere in your computer to see all the possible options to click and work. The detailed options in right-click are covered under File, Folder and Directory in the practical session. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter data or instruction into the computer. It has cable that connects to the CPU, but some keyboards are wireless. When the user of the computer presses any letter or number on the keyboard, it will appear on the screen as pressed in any program. Caps lock is to change letters to small or capital letters upon every press. Shift key is pressed along with other keys that have more than one symbols, letters or numbers to type the upper symbol or character in the key. Spacebar is often pressed to create space between words while typing. Delete is used to erase highlighted objects, letters or character. Backspace is also to erase but without highlighting the data or object. Enter key is to execute an action such as go, start, play, continue, move to the next line, etc. We press tab key to highlight objects, especially when we're not using mouse. We press escape key to clear away unwanted pop-up. Arrow keys are pressed to move an object or page to the pointing directions. Right-click, as the name implies, is the same thing with the mouse right-click. Below are some of the keys used in shortcuts. Shortcut is pressing of 2 keys orderly to instruct the computer. Orderly in the sense that press and hold the first key, then press the second. Pressing the Control key plus letter X is to cut highlighted text or objects with intention to take it somewhere. Make sure you press them orderly. If you press them otherwise, that is X then Control key, it will not work. If you press them at the same time, it will not work because you did not press them orderly. This rule is applicable to all Windows shortcuts. Ctrl, which is the CTRL key on the keyboard, plus S to save your work. Ctrl Y to redo last changes. Ctrl C to copy highlighted text or object. Also note to differentiate between copy and cut. Copy to duplicate it somewhere and cut is to move it somewhere without leaving a copy in the actual location. Ctrl V to paste what copied or cut earlier to a chosen location. Ctrl P to print your work. Ctrl Z to reverse last changes in most programs. Ctrl A to highlight all content of an active page to copy, cut, or delete. Window, which is usually close to the Ctrl key with the flag-like square symbol on it, is pressed with letter E to open My Computer to access external devices or other directories. The Alt key, which is also known as the Alt key, pressed with F4 to close active window. Alt F to see file drop-down menu.